Hello dear parents and students. This video tutorial is about how to use Loop Learning app. Loop Learning is similar to Between Us for communication with school, downloading of resources, etc. So let's get started. Parents, you need to use the email ID and password that was used for Between Us to log in into Loop Learning. Using your Between Us ID and password, you need to log in. Once you log in, you would see the following page. The home page has different options like channel, upcoming events, shop for school. Shop for school is used for ordering your stationery and uniform. Upcoming events will show you the different events that are planned for the academic year. The channel section shows the announcement. Announcements are the circulars that are sent by the school. The details of the announcement can be seen in the file section, which will be a form of an attachment. In the section tab, you would see the admin and the teachers assigned to your class. The direct message option helps you to send message to the concerned teacher. So select the teacher's name and you can type a message and click on send. The details of the teacher would be seen on the right side in the details section. Dear parents, kindly note, for Loop Learning, the students and the parents will have a different ID and password. So when the parents will log into the Loop Learning, the top bar shows the child's student ID and password. Using the ID and password, students can log into the Loop Learning app. Before exploring the Performance tab, let's understand what is a task. Task is a digital assignment which is MCQ type in nature. Subject teachers will be assigning tasks to the students which needs to be completed and submitted as per the given timeline. Students will get points for each correct answer and timely completion of task. When the students log in to the Loop Learning, the timeline will show the different tasks assigned by different teachers. For attempting a task, you need to click on the task. There is a start button. Click on the start button and you can start your task. Once completed, click on the submit button. The right hand side shows you the pending task. When you click on the Performance tab, you would see the performance, the scores of the child in various tasks in different subjects. The My Reward section shows the medals and trophies earned by the student on completing the task. The Performance Tracker shows the point scored by the child over months subject wise. The Report Card tab allows you to view the report card term wise. The fee option allows parents to pay the fees using Loop Learning app. In case a parent is facing problem in paying the fees, the issue can be raised using the raise a ticket option with the technical team. The Resource tab shows all the subject resources like videos, PPTs that are available term-wise. Parents and students can view the resources or download it and use it further. The calendar shows all the school events which are listed month-wise. The filter option allows you to search for different type of events. The notification area shows all the tasks, new tasks assigned, upcoming events and messages sent by the teacher or the admin to the parent and the student. The profile allows you to see all your personal information. The setting option allows you to change the old password by resetting with the new password. If you need any technical support, you can raise your concern with the help option. Type your concern and click on the raise ticket. So dear parents and students, let us together explore and utilize the Loop Learning app. Thank you.